Thank you so much for joining us. Some words for the evening, please.
We've had a lovely evening. It's been a privilege to be invited to come tonight amongst all these very privileged people, honoured guests. We've had lovely food. It's been amazing.
How was the hospitality?
The contribution, the hospitality has been excellent. The hospitality in Pakistan when we come is always excellent. We honestly, it is so good. But for this evening, obviously, it's a big occasion. There are for the hospital in terms of the people that are donating to help to keep the hospital and the service going. So we thank them all very, very much. It's much appreciated.
How do you find Pakistan like? Is it overwhelming to be here?
When I first came 25 years ago, that was overwhelming. Coming out of the airport were so many people. It was kind of like, whoa. Since then, I've kind of got used to it. So it was
So it's like a second home for you.
Oh, undoubtedly. In fact, I think if you guys have got good contacts, I should have a Pakistani visa permanently.
So please your name and designation.
My name is Annette Middleton. I'm a theatre nurse in the UK.
We were having Miss Anant with us, and she was having lovely conversation with a Pak News team. And this is it for now. Thank you.